Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can download or how you can install Google Play Market on your iPhone or iPad, absolutely on any iOS device. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Whether the video helped you or not, be sure to write everything. I'll be reading and responding to everyone. Let's get started. Let's go. In order for us to install and download a free version of Play Market on your device, it can be an iPhone or iPad, we need to go to Safari in any browser you have, and then write in the search box Google Play. That we find Play Market, further open the official application Google Play Store. And as you can see, we have it, but in the browser. So how do we make it appear as a separate application? So that when we go into our iPhone or iPad, we can click into it and then install something. We open Google Play Market in Safari or in any browser and then click on the Share button. And then we go to the bottom and click on Add to Home Screen. And then we can delete everything that's written here. To Google on and leave just Google Play. We also click here Add. And after that, it is saved in a new tab. So when we swipe the iPhone like this, it appears here. Google Play, click on it, it opens. Now it appears as a real Google Play Market. That it is, we can go to games, we can go to apps, we can go somewhere else. After that, we click on some application. Click Install. Before you download it, you have to sign in. That is, you have to sign into your Gmail Google account. Click Sign In, enter your email, enter your password, and after that, you can download any applications from Play Market on iPhone. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Write comments, whether you succeeded or not. I will read everything and I will reply to everyone. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.